frequency 121.9er. Hazardous weather information for float available on high watts or flight service frequencies. Advise on this contact, you have information November. St. Petersburg, Clearwater Tower information November 1353 Zulu. Wind 180 at 17, gust 23, visibility 10. Ceiling 1,400 broken. Temperature 22, dew point 21. Altimeter 2997.
St. Pete ground, good morning, Skyhawk 9522 Alpha at signature. Renew taxi VFR Northwest Clearwater with November.
9522 Alpha St. Pete. Runway 18 taxi via Alpha.
18 via Alpha, 9522 Alpha. Alright, 18 via Alpha, here we go.
22 Alpha, you can have either Alpha 2 or 3 if you want.
Clear take Alpha 3, 22 Alpha.
You got it.
Thank you. St. Pete Tower, good morning, Skyhawk 9522 Alpha, 18 Alpha 3, ready for takeoff.
9522 Alpha, St. Pete Tower, runway 18. Cleared for takeoff, right turn on course approved.
18 Alpha 3, clear for takeoff, right turn, approved, 9522 Alpha. Okay, final is clear, runway's clear, here we go. Inner light strobes. Power set, engine gauge green, airspeed's alive. Rotate.
No targets there, you can switch frequencies.
Thank you, have a good day, 22 Alpha.
Clearwater Airpark.
Automated weather observation 1435 Zulu weather wind 170 at 11 gust 19er visibility 10 ceiling 1500 overcast temperature 23 Celsius dew point 20 altimeter 29er 8
Clearwater traffic, Sky 22 Alpha, 3 miles southeast, inbound 16 Clearwater. Traffic, Sky 22 Alpha, midfield left downwind 16 Clearwater. Yeah, we'll make a short approach here. Cockatoo 2 Alpha, returning left base, short approach, 16, Clearwater. Traffic, Cockatoo 2 Alpha, short final, 16, Clearwater. Traffic, Cockatoo 2 Alpha, clear 16, taxi down, Clearwater.